going to be talking about artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are two very important topics in the field of computer science, and they're becoming increasingly relevant in our everyday lives. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to simulate human intelligence. This can include things like understanding language, learning from experience, and making decisions. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that uses statistical techniques to allow machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'll also talk about some of the different applications of these technologies. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what artificial intelligence and machine learning are, and how they're being used to change the world. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. Artificial intelligence research has been highly successful in developing effective techniques for solving a wide range of problems, from game playing to medical diagnosis. One of the most important goals of artificial intelligence research is to create machines that can think like humans. This is a challenging task, but there has been significant progress in recent years. For example, machines can now beat humans at chess and Go, and they can even generate creative text and art. While artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, it also raises a number of ethical concerns. For example, some people worry that artificial intelligence could be used to create autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. Others worry that artificial intelligence could lead to mass unemployment, as machines become capable of doing many of the jobs that are currently done by humans. Despite these concerns, artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field with the potential to greatly benefit society. As artificial intelligence research continues to advance, it is important to have a thoughtful and informed discussion about the ethical implications of this technology. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. This is done by feeding the machine data, and then allowing it to find patterns in the data and make predictions based on those patterns. Machine learning is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as classifying images, predicting customer behavior, and detecting fraud. It is also being used to develop new drugs and treatments, and to improve the performance of self-driving cars. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field, and there is a lot of excitement about the potential of this technology. However, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. For example, machine learning models can be biased, and they can be difficult to interpret. Despite these challenges, machine learning is a promising technology with the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. As machine learning research continues to advance, it is important to develop ethical guidelines for the use of this technology. Applications of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used in a wide variety of applications, including game playing. Artificial intelligence has been used to create machines that can beat humans at games like chess, Go, and poker. Medical diagnosis. Artificial intelligence is being used to develop systems that can help doctors diagnose diseases. Financial trading. Artificial intelligence is being used to develop systems that can predict stock prices and other financial markets. Customer service. Artificial intelligence is being used to develop chatbots that can answer customer questions and provide support. Self-driving cars. Artificial intelligence is being used to develop technology that will allow cars to drive themselves. These are just a few of the many applications of artificial intelligence and machine learning. As these technologies continue to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and disruptive applications in the years to come. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are two powerful technologies that have the potential to change the world. In this video, I've given you a brief overview of these technologies, and I've talked about some of the different applications of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you're interested in learning more about these technologies, I encourage you to do some additional research. There are many resources available online, and there are also many courses and programs that can teach you how to use artificial intelligence and machine learning.